Samsung is going crazy with the upcoming foldable phone, as Samsung is adding some useful features in the Galaxy Z Fold 5, and there are some features that are all left unchanged. Before starting off, make sure to subscribe. This is what we all been waiting for. If you guys are following Galaxy Z Fold 5 news, you guys should know that Samsung is going to use a new hinge design for Fold 5, which is a water drop hinge, previously used in Oppo Find N2 and Xiaomi Mix Fold 2, and now Samsung is going to use in the Fold 5. But one thing Samsung is adding in the Fold 5 is IPX8 rating, which is waterproofing. But another news is here, whereas according to the rumors, Galaxy Z Fold 5 might come with IP67 water and dust resistant certification. Well, for now it is not confirmed, but it is certain that the next foldable phones will definitely come with the IP67 rating, as the new hinge design will come with the zero gap, so we can see some dust certification on the Fold 5. Let me know in the comments, are you guys happy with the specs of Galaxy Z Fold 5? The camera specification of Galaxy Z Fold 5 is also out, and you guys shouldn't expect something big out of it. As per confirmed news, Galaxy Z Fold 5 will come with same cameras just like the S23 Plus, which is 50MP main shooter with OIS optical image stabilization, 12MP ultra-wide, 10MP telephoto with 3x zoom, and 12MP selfie shooter. For now, it is not confirmed whether we are going to get the improved under-display camera, if not in numbers, but yes, it will be better than the Fold 4. Image processing will be better than what we get on the Fold 4, as we are getting Snapdragon Engine 2 in the Fold 5. Some of you guys might know that Samsung will going to put the same processor in the Fold 5, which is Snapdragon Engine 2, as Samsung already came out with the overclocked Snapdragon Engine 2 for S23 series. We might see this processor in the Z Fold 5. The storage options are also out for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5, where we are going to get 256 gigs, 512 gigs and 1TB version for the Fold 5. Now these storage options are of UFS 4.0, which is much better than the UFS 3.1. Also, Flip 5 will come with 128 gigs version as the base model, and that model will be powered with the UFS 3.1, as Samsung only built UFS 4.0 for 256 gigs and above versions. If you guys own Galaxy S23 Ultra, then you guys should know about this new update, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.